how to see your blocked account on Instagram on your account on iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your blocked accounts on your account on Instagram on iOS phone. As you see here, after you click on your profile and after you click here on these three lines, click settings and privacy, and here you will see blocked accounts, and that's how to find blocked accounts. And if you want to unblock any account, just click here unblock, and it will be unblocked. And that's how to find the blocked accounts. And that's it for today. If you like video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.